Bonjour tout le monde. This is a remote learning initiative by Shet Vidya Mandir High School, Vasai. Myself Shikta Pethe. This video is for class 8 reteaching of the grammar topic. So let's begin. Question number 1, conjugate le verbe au présent. Now you have to conjugate the words in present tense over here. Vous dash devoir respecter vos parents. Now according to the devoir conjugation, it is DOIS, DOIS, DOIT, devant, deve, doivent, DOIVENT. Now here vous, the answer will be DEVEZ. Il dash ne pas boire the lait chaud. Means what? The boire conjugation, you have to put this into negation form. So ne pas boire, boire conjugation is BOIS, BOIS, BOIT, BOIT. Then comes buvons, BUVONS, BUVEZ, BOIVENT, BOIVENT. So here il's form will be BOIVENT. Tu visite, ER verb, it is simple. Tu visite pour Paris à ce soir means you have to conjugate the ER verb in tu form. So it is VISITES. L dash de devoir de math finir, finir. Now in L form, IR form, it's a regular verb. The answer will be FINIT, as the conjugation is FINIS, FINIS, FINIT, FINIT. Finissons, FINISSONS, FINISSEZ, FINISSENT, FINISSENT. So here the answer is FINIT. Now mettez au ordre à arriver vous l'heure. Now you always have to remember, whenever you start putting the sentence in an order, the starting should be an mostly with an article or with the subject or the subject pronoun. So here it is a subject pronoun, after that comes the verb. So vous arrivez à l'heure, you come or you arrive on time. Il dans quartier vont à marcher ce. Now il y a ILY A. So il y a un marché dans ce quartier means what? There is a market in this neighborhood. La grand-mère les gris cheveux. Now here you have to go for the articles, for example les cheveux, because or else there are two articles over here, la and les, so you have to accordingly set up the sentence. For example here, la grand-mère a les cheveux gris. Okay, means the grandmother has the white hair over here. Next, visitons nous le musée. Looking at the subject pronoun, nous visitons le musée. Now mettez au négatif. Ta sœur s'habille très bien. Now it is, you have to put this into negation form. So the answer will be ta sœur. Now what is the s'habiller is what here? The pronominal verb or the reflexive verb. So as we have learned, we are not going to separate this s'habiller. It will remain the same. So ne s'habille pas. You are just to put this in a sandwich form. Like s'habiller will be in between the ne and pas. So your answer will be ta sœur ne s'habille pas très bien. Manges-tu du beurre et des tartes? Now here manges-tu. Where is the verb here? Mange. So how are you going to put this? Ne mange pas tu de beurre et de tarte. Now why it is de beurre and de tarte? Because the sentence is been put in the negation form, and when there is a negation and there are indefinite or the partitive articles, the des or du or the la changes to de. Next, vous vous promenez dans ce jardin public. So again the reflexive verb here, how are you going to do? You are not going to separate the reflection, the reflexive pronoun and the conjugated verb. So how are you going to put this? Vous ne vous promenez pas dans ce jardin public. Je suis avec mes amis. So here the verb is suis. Je ne suis pas avec mes amis. Now mettez au pluriel, le train s'arrête ici. Now the plural form will be le become les, train will be put with an extra s, s'arrête as the plural. Le train is in the il form, the plural will be in the ILS form. So it will be ILS and s'arrête. As we know that ILS, the conjugation ends with ENT. So here s'arrête RARRETENT. It is again a reflexive verb, that the train stops itself here. Okay, the train stops here. Je suis français, so je becomes nous suis. Then again the conjugation for, as we have changed this je to nous, so the conjugation for nous in être will be somme, and français there will be no extra s because already the français is in s, ending with s. Il y a un fauteuil. Now il y a un fauteuil, what will be the plural of this? Il a will become o, un become des, and fauteuil with extra s. So ils ont des fauteuils. Question la bonne réponse. J'ai a dash au bureau, rendezvous or théâtre. Now dash, what do we have in the bureau means the office. So what do we normally have in the office? We have a rendezvous, meeting. So your answer will be first, rendezvous. Je vois une belle pièce. Pièce means any kind of play, you can say. Okay, so I see a beautiful play au théâtre or école, and it's not always école, is feminine, so it will be always a plus l apostrophe. So these things also can be used as a trick while you are solving. So it is au théâtre. Theatre is the theaters, not the cinema halls. Theaters in which the plays, the shows are being held. Now, changer les phrases à l'interrogative with est-ce or est-ce qu'il, whatsoever the sentence will see here. Vous passez vos examens. Now, when you are saying that est-ce que, so it will, everything will be in the proper affirmative sentence. You just have to put the est-ce que in front of the subject pronoun. So, est-ce que vous passez vos examens with a question mark. Le train entre dans la gare. So, so how are you going to put this? Est-ce que le train entre dans la gare with a question mark. Elle ne joue pas avec sa poupée. So here, how are you going to put this? Est-ce qu'elle, since Q-U-E and again E-double-L-E-L. So there is a clash of vowels. So you are going to put Q-U apostrophe and L. Est-ce qu'elle ne joue pas avec sa poupée? Now corriger les phrases means you have to correct the phrase here. Le manteau, now manteau being a masculine word. As I told you to keep the things, nouns, how to memorize this when it is masculine or feminine. Most of the masculine words end with EAU. So it is a masculine word. So here the first correction is le manteau, not la manteau. Le manteau de cet homme coûte euro 200. Now here the answer set belongs to the feminine part of the demonstrative article. So it is CET because the om starts with a vowel H and it is followed by a vowel. So whenever it is masculine singular starting with a vowel or with a H, it should be CET. So your correction here will be le manteau and CET om. Nous célébrer le fête the Noel. Now here nous célébrer, as the subject pronoun is nous, the célébrant will be the answer, and la fête, it is not le fête. Okay, it's a festival, so feminine la fête. Je range ces dossiers dans ce armoire. Now je range is what here it is ER verb. So normally J-E-R-A-N-G-E. Okay, it's not S. So here the correction is R-A-N-G-E and say the dossier dans cette armoire because armoire is feminine. So it is C-E-T-T-E. Vous boivez. Now here see vous boivez, as boivez is for ils or else. So it is vous buvez, B-U-V-E-Z. The la. Now the la juice. Juice is not the feminine, so it will be du jus. The fruit means he drinks some du jus de fruit. Écrivez le bon numéro d'horloge means you have to put the proper numbers of the clock. Il est midi. Now as you know, midi means the afternoon part, so it is 12 p.m. Il est 9h25 means it is 9 here, 9 and 25. You can put am, need not have to, just you have to put the number. So it is 9 and 9:25. Il est 11h15. It is 11 1/4. 1/4 means 15. So it is 11:15. Il est une heure et demie. It is 1:30. Demi means the 30. Now, dit vrai ou faux, say true or false. Il ne pleut pas en automne, means it doesn't rain in autumn. So, it is the false. So, it is faux. Les jours sont froids en hiver. The days are cold in winter. Vrai. Le soleil brille fortement en été. Fortement is very like what we say, strongly. So, the sun brille is to shine. So, it shines fortement strongly. En été, it's correct statement. So, it is vrai. Le printemps est la saison des fleurs. Oui. It's a true sentence. Vrai. Mettez à la forme interrogative en utilisant la forme mentionnée. So, it is il y a un ballon. You are going to make use of intonation. Now, intonation means what? You just have to take the sentence and you have to just louder your voice when it comes at the end. For example, il y a un ballon. The same sentence will be there as it is. It doesn't matter while you are writing. So, il y a un ballon with a question mark. Sophie et sa sœur vont à la plage. Est-ce que? Now, when you know est-ce que it comes, you just have to put the affirmation of the affirmation part, and the Sophie est-ce que will be the starting part. So, here it will be est-ce que Sophie et sa sœur vont à la plage with a question mark. Tu as une montre. Est-ce que? Au negative. Now, you have to put this into negative. So, how are you going to put this? Since the verb here is a, so est-ce que tu n'as pas, you are going to, na will be before the verb and pa will be after the verb. So, est-ce que tu n'as pas, une will not be the question, the montre, because the sentence is in the negation form, and as I told you, when it comes to indefinite or the definite article, so the question will be, it will be always in the part, means is it you do not have any, the meaning any, so is it you do not have any watch. Now, conjugal aware pronomina. Pronomina verbs are the reflexive verbs. Jama, tuta, ilsa, elsa, nunu, vuvu, ilsa, elsa. Now, el samuse, er verb. So, how are you going to write el samuse with s apostrophe amuse? It's the same conjugation as we conjugate for the regular or the irregular verbs. El se promene. Now, it is in the form of el se promener. Sa will remain the same because it is the reflexive pronoun for L as well, and promen, promenen, and there will be a grave accent on the first E. Tu se lave. Now, se lave, what is the reflexive pronoun for tu? So, it is tu te lave, Laves. A dash se brosse. Now, the same sentence, since the subject here is tu. So, a te brosse, Brosses. Je se lave. Now, here lave is again the regular er verb. So, what is the reflexive pronoun for je? It is je me and lave. So, lave, leve, and there will be a grave accent on the first E. A again the same subject. So, it is je me couche, couche. It's again a er regular verb. Treta means I wake up, or I get up and I sleep early. Okay, students, so this type of questions will be asked for your first term examination. So go through all this grammar topics, and I think there are no doubts for you left out. If any at all doubts, you can contact me. Till then, à bientôt.